I'm planning some lessons for our family vacation to the Smoky Mountains, and I wanted a way to present content to my kids while we were driving. And so I looked into Pear Deck, and Pear Deck is where you can build presentations, and students can go in and, follow along on these presentations on their own time or as a whole class. Anyway, I was going to get a 30-day trial, and then I was going to have to pay. And I'm like, I don't want to do that. And so I checked out Nearpod. Nearpod's free plan is great. The only limitation is the amount of storage you get, which could become a problem if you create a lot of these. But for free, you can get Nearpod, and let me show you what you can do. So you'll just create an account. It's very easy, and you'll go to this homepage and you'll choose create a lesson. And I'm just going to show you the one I've been working on so you get the idea of what you can do here. So these are all, sections in my presentation. Okay, so let me just show you the kinds of things you can add. So of course, slideshows of all sorts, images, audio. The interactions are awesome. I'm going to show you some of those in a minute. Different types of quizzes and games. And if you're in a class, if you're a teacher doing a whole class thing, you can do these collaboration type things. But let me show you, let me tell you about the video. So on a video, you can insert a video and have it stop at certain points, and the kids have to answer a quiz question. So that's really nice. What I love as a math and science person is the PHET simulations. And so here you can see they have this categorized by subject and by elementary, middle, and high school. These are different interactions you can add that kids will then go in and play around in. So they could learn about area. They can learn about decimals, multiplying, building fractions, all of these things. These are all simulations built. I can't remember what this stands for. The PHET. Anyway, somebody has made these. They're all free for use, and you can actually use these interactions outside of Nearpod. It's just they've connected it here, and I think that's super cool because you can add quiz questions and stuff. Okay, so let me just show you the one I made. Okay, so here was just a slide. So of course I'm going to tell them what they're going to learn today. And so, you can just design your slide. It's simple features here to add. So then you save it, and then you go and you look at your next thing. So for example, on this one, I'm teaching them about geology. So we have to do a little bit of chemistry. And then we talk about the Earth's crust. So so that's some earth science. We're covering all kinds of different little things here. But here I've added videos, and they'll have quiz questions throughout that. And so anyway, then if you want to test how it looks, here's what I always do. Okay, you got to wait for it to save. And then you have two options. You can either do this live. So if you're a teacher, you're probably going to do a lot of these live where you present the lesson and the kids follow along on their device. And let me show you what that looks like, because this could work for homeschool too. So there's this code. So I'm going to open up another browser so it doesn't recognize me. So I'm in Microsoft Edge here. Just pull this over so you can see. And then I'm going to go to Nearpod, join.nearpod.com. Okay. And then here's my code, A2N4D, join. So I'm going to show you the student view and the teacher view. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and close that because everyone's ready. And so this is what you would present on the board. Okay, and then this is what the students got to fill in their name. Okay, and this is what they see on their screen. So let's just go through this here. So then the teacher says, hey, it's section 1, and then they present this content. Then this is time to climb. So let me get up my other screen. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the student side. So it's time to climb. Select where we wanted. We're going to be at the beach. Okay. Now. So then on their end, they've got to choose their character and join the game. Oh, and then the teacher has to start the game. Sorry, it started going back and forth. And so you have all your students on here, right? And it's a race to see who can get the answers in the right, in the fastest amount of time. Oh, they missed that one. Okay. Then it gives them the correct answer, and now they gotta, this is our next question. Does not have a charge. That would be neutron. Yes, got it. I made these questions, so I should know what they are. And there's one more question. Okay, here we go. Hang out in the nucleus. So anyway, you're trying to race to the top. So that's their side of things. And then here is, I need that music to stop. Here's the leaderboard. It tells you who scored where. So the students get to see that too. Okay. So then I have more presentations. And of course, this is just going along on their screen. So this helps with visual. If you have students who have visual limitations, this is great. And then here's a quiz question. But anyway, that's Nearpod. I mean, that's all you need to know right there. And you got some super awesome lessons. So I hope that helps. Sorry the video was so long.